Good morning, children. How are you all? I think you are fine at home. Stay at home, stay safe. Children, today I will teach Standard 2 students Grammar Lesson 3 One and Many. You can see here one and many. One and many means singular and plural. We know that noun has two numbers, singular number and plural number. Now I will start with singular number. Singular number denotes one place, animal or thing. Examples: book, tiger, knife, wife, mango. Plural number denotes more than one place, animal or thing. Example: books, tigers, knives, wives, mango. You can see here I have done singular and plural. Singular means one, plural means more. One example, book. You can see one book is I have done the diagram, one book. If books, then more book. It can be 2, 3, any number. Number 2, knife. One knife. If more knife, knives. Knives. You can see I have done diagram of 3 knives. Now question number 3, mango. One mango, it is mango. If more than one mango, it is mangoes. mangoes. Next is story. If it is one story, it is story. If it more than one story, we have to write stories, stories. Like this, I will continue next thing also. Children will start with the words that ends with S, SS, X, O, CH, SH have ES in its plural form. Here you can see singular, plural. Some examples are given. Glass is the word that ends with SS. Plural form glasses, GLASSES. Brush ends with SH. Plural form brushes, BRUSHES. Box ends with X. In its plural form boxes, BOXES. Potato ends with O. Potatoes, POTATOES, plural form ends with ES. Watch ends with CH. One watch. If it is more than one watch, WATCHES, watches. Bus ends with S. In its plural form buses, you can see plural form. We have added ES in its plural form. So this is all about the words that ends with S, SS, X, O, CH, SH have ES in its plural form. You can see once more, children. We will see the word that ends with F or FE have BES in its plural form. Here some examples are there, singular and plural. Leaf that ends with LEAF. Now in its plural form we will see LEAVES. Knife that ends with FE, KNIFE. In its plural form KNIVES. You can see more than one knives. Plural form is KNIVES, ends with VES. Now third one, shelf, book shelf, that means SHELF, shelf ends with F. One shelf is here. If it is plural, SHELVES, that ends with VES, you can see more than one shelf. So this is about the words that ends with F or FE have VES in its plural form. You can go through these examples again, children. Okay. Now the words that ends with Y have IES in its plural form. Here some examples are here. Diary, DIARY, ends with Y. Plural form DIARIES means ends with IES in its plural form. Berry, 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 a type of fruit, ends with Y. In its plural form, BERRIES, berries. More than one berry means berries, which ends with IES. Lorry, LORRY, in its singular form ends with Y. In its plural, you can see more than one lorry is there, that is lorries, LORRIES. Now, fourth one, dictionary, DICTIONARY, ends with Y. One dictionary book. If it is more than one dictionary book, you can write DICTIONARIES dictionaries, that ends with IES. So this is about the word that ends with Y have IES in its plural form, children. You can see the examples again. Diary, diaries, berry, berries, lorry, lorries, dictionary, dictionaries. This is all about this lesson 3, 1 and many. Thank you for listening me, children. God bless you. Now children, we will start with the exercise portion of this lesson. Exercise A, write the plural of these words. One has been done for you. Here questions are in singular form. You have to write the plural form of these nouns. First one, guitar, guitars. Second, self, selves. Third, story, stories. Fourth, crayon, crayons. Fifth, puppy, puppies. Sixth, peach, peaches. Singular to plural form. Now we will do the question number B. Look at the picture, list any 6 things that are one of a kind and 6 things that are more than one of a kind. Means here picture is given, you have to find out singular naming word. In one column you have to write and plural naming word in another column you have to write. You can see I have written here in the column of singular naming word, globe, pillow, book, table, gift box, doll. In column plural naming word, plums, balls, shelves, boxes, rackets and pens. Now we will do the 6C exercise. Here write the plural form of the naming words given, then make sentence with the plural naming word. One has been done for you. Here some words are given, you have to write the plural form of the words and write a sentence using the plural form of the noun. First one, bus, plural form is buses. Sentence is, many buses are parked outside the stadium. Means I have written the plural form of that noun and I have written the sentence by using the plural form of that noun. Now question number 2, house, plural form is houses. There are different colors of houses. Sentence. Question number 3, scarf, plural form is scarves. Sentence is, they have put scarves around their necks. You can see the sentence. Number 4, brush, plural form brushes. Sentence, there are many brushes in the packet. There are many brushes in the packet. Question number 5. Cherry, plural form cherries. Sentence: there are lot of cherries on the cake. There are lot of cherries on the cake. Question number 6. Jacket, plural form jackets. I have got many jackets. I have got many jackets. This is exercise C, and this is all the answers of this lesson 3 exercises. So children, you can read and learn this thing. Thank you.